Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 10 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous day questions. So we have to answer it first. Our first question was, how many satellite launched by ISRO with the carrier vehicle PSLV C-49? 5, 6, 7 or option D 10? The correct answer here is option D 10. Recently ISRO has launched the 51st mission. The 51st mission of Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle PSLV, Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle, and the first mission in 2020. It is the first mission of 2020, remember. And the carrier vehicle PSLV C-49 will deliver 10 satellites in all with the EOS 1 as the primary one. Okay, and remember one thing, this was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Sriharikota is in Andhra Pradesh and it is launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Our second question was, a 2 days coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach started in which state? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala or option D none of these? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is, it is started in Odisha. Okay, so option A is correct here. Okay, option A is correct here. A 2 days joint coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach was launched from the Paradip coast of Odisha. Paradip coast is situated in Odisha, and the exercise carried out by the joint effort of both Odisha and West Bengal. Remember, okay. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when National Legal Service Day is observed? 8 November, 9 November, 10 November or option D 11 October? Can you guys guess the answer here? The correct answer here is option B 9 November. Every year on 9 November, National Legal Service Day is observed. The day is celebrated to make people aware of the various provisions under the Legal Service Authority Act 1987. Remember one thing, the Legal Service Authority Act is introduced in 1987. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which Indian diplomat is elected to UN Advisory Committee? Vidisha Maitra, Anil Valluri, C.B. George or option D none of these? Answer here is the Indian diplomat Vidisha Maitra. Recently, Indian diplomat Vidisha Maitra has been elected to the UN's Advisory Committee on Administrative and Budgetary Questions. Okay, you can see here the image of Vidisha Maitra here. Recently elected to the UN Advisory Committee. Question number 3. Who has won Paris Master 2020 in tennis? Alexander Zverev, Daniil Medvedev, Novak Djokovic or option D none of these? The correct answer here is Daniil Medvedev. You can see here the image of Daniil Medvedev. Recently, the Russian Daniil Medvedev has won the Paris Master 2020 title tennis and by defeating Alexander Zverev. Okay. Next question. Indian short film Nutcut eligible for Oscar nomination. Which lead actress is in the film? Who is the lead actress is in the film? Deepika Padukone, Shilpa Shetty, Vidya Balan or option D Alia Bhatt? This question is very much important. Remember, this question is very much important. Mark this. The correct answer here is Vidya Balan. Option C is correct here. The Indian film Nutcut, the Indian short film Nutcut, starring and co-produced by Vidya Balan, has won the top prize at the third edition of the Best of India Short Film Festival 2020 and recently nominated for the Oscar nomination. in short film. Okay, you can see here Vidya Balan and the cover page and the of film Nutcut. Next question. Who has issued a notification that fastags mandatory for four wheelers from January 1st 2021? MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, Delhi Government, MORTH. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C. The full form of MORTH is Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Remember, this is the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. Recently, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway has issued a notification that fastags will become the mandatory for all four-wheelers, including old vehicle also. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Sundarsan Rattan passed away. He was related to which field? Film, sports, journalism, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, film. Recently, the Bollywood filmmaker Sundarsan Rattan recently passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, this year is a black year because the COVID-19 pandemic, a huge loss of both human resource and environment also occurs due to COVID-19. Okay, he was known for his 1986 film Manav Hatya, famous film of 1986. Filmmaker Sundarsan Rattan is Manav Hatya. Next question. Who has launched Parivartanam scheme for better livelihood of fisher folk or the fishermen? Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Odisha, or option D, Tamil Nadu? The correct answer here is option B, Kerala. Recently, the government of Kerala has launched a pioneering the eco-sustainable program called Parivartanam scheme for the better livelihood of fishermen or the fisher folk. Okay, Kerala is in news. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan and Arif Muhammad Khan. Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. First solar based water supply project of India launched in which state? Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, or option D, Uttarakhand? The correct answer here is Arunachal Pradesh. So option A is correct here. Recently, the Union Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, remember the name? Union Jal Shakti Minister is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has launched India's first solar based IMVWSP. Abbreviation is Integrated Multi-Village Water Supply Project in Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is in news. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Chief Minister is Pema Khandu and Brigadier B.D. Mishra is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Who has imposed bans sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi in Diwali? Okay, Diwali is coming on the 14th November. It will be happen. So, but recently due to the pollution, who has imposed the ban sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi? MHA, NGT, ICMR, or option D, none of these? Answer here is National Green Tribunal. Option B is correct here. The National Green Tribunal has imposed a total ban on the sale and the use of firecrackers in the Delhi NCR region from November 9 to November 30. It is November 9 to November 30. Remember this. Okay. This year Diwali will celebrate without firecrackers. Okay. Pollution less Diwali. Next question. Who has written a novel Rasati on transgender? Sasindran Kallinkel, Chetan Bhagat, Nirupama Yadav, or option D, none of these? Correct answer here is option A. Recently, the ex-SPG officer Sasindran Kallinkels has penned a novel named Rasati, the other side of a transgender. Remember, the novel name is Rasati, the other side of a transgender. Sasindran Kallinkel written this book. You can see here the cover page of this book Okay, I hope you got the answer now. If you think that the very most data you've got in this session, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Okay, next we have to, as per you know that this is our question of the day, and we have to answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who has crowned as the Miss Universe Australia 2020? Our second question is, in which city plant rehabilitation, sorry, this is, in which city elephant rehabilitation center is set up? In which city elephant rehabilitation center is set up? You have to answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. There will be many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.